She like the way
I know you stay up in your bag. You got a couple of bands in your stack.
A lot of people down, and it's a chance that you might. You got God on your side, but it's hard to do right.
For this tutorial, all you would need is an eyebrow pencil. I got mine from my local hair store. It was $1. And it's called Go Brow. So if you guys see that, this pencil is the bomb. Find the one with the spoolie at the end. Then I got this from the dollar store. It's the angled brush. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me focus. Yep. It's the angled brush, and I got this from Dollar Tree for $1. This is Pro Conceal, LA Girl Pro Conceal. Don't mind my nails, guys. We quarantine and chilling right now. Everybody down bad, okay? And this is a fluffy brush. It's not the one that I usually use. I'm probably gonna switch it. Just make sure it's fluffy and it's good for blending. So that's all. That's pretty cheap. The only high price item I have here is the concealer, and it's not even that high price. I believe it's like $5, but it lasts you like a whole year, so. Now you would have to take your angled brush and your concealer. Now you're about to outline, well, I am about to outline my eyebrows. You don't have to take too much. Be easy, because you could always go back in and get some more. But if you put too much, it's gonna be so hard to blend in. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done concealing both of my eyebrows. And right now I'm gonna bring the concealer up. I'm gonna be looking this way because the vanity mirror is this way. I was looking at my phone, but it's getting a little tricky, okay? All right, so I'm gonna look over here. What am I trying to do with this? I'm trying to blend. Why do I have this in my hand? And my eyebrows are not the same. You're gonna hear this, your sisters. I mean, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins, okay? They're not always the same, but I don't want them looking like too different. So I usually go back in. So right now I'm brushing. This one's not fluffy enough. I told you I was gonna change it. So let me change it. Okay, I found a fluffy brush. I'm not sure where this is from, but I found it. So right now we're just blending in. Make sure you blend so there's no lines of demarcation. You want people thinking this is your real eyebrows, and if they don't think it's your real eyebrows because they know that you do your eyebrows, you just want them to know that your eyebrows be snatched. Guys, I really want to like drop content because I feel like I need to find somewhere so I can be creative. Like I want to be good at editing videos. I just like being good at a lot of things. Like I do hair, so I want to just like document my process and see, y'all can see how much I grow, you know what I mean? So I really want that. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing hair forever, but it's just the skills that I'm always gonna have with me. My daughter hair gonna be snatched, okay? Snatched. And as you can see, it's not fully blended, so I go back. I don't know if anybody else does that. I go back with this big fluffy foundation brush. I just go in. Yeah, I want to install this wig. It's not installed because I'm at home. Like, I'm not going nowhere. It's not installed, but I just put it on for video purposes because y'all need to see me looking cute, okay? My favorite YouTubers be looking cute, so me, I'll be cute too, okay? Why do I keep saying that?
Why do you keep saying that?
I just looked at myself in the mirror. Oh my gosh. I'm talking to myself, literally. But I'm talking to y'all right here. I'm talking to myself right there. So, okay, so this looks a little bit more straight than this. As you can see, like, this is more curvy, so I'm gonna go back in. It's so hard to like get that desired look. That's why MUAs be like, don't have anything on your face. But like, why would you have anything on your face, period, if you like, get your eyebrows done? I mean, your makeup done. It's just some stuff that I don't get. Like, why would people do that? Some people come to me so I could do their hair with their hair dirty. Like, I know if I was offering wash services, I would understand that. But like, why? You know I'm not gonna wash your hair. You know I'm not about to do any of that. So why would you come to the appointment with your hair dirty? I mean, your hair dirty. Like, come on now. Mama taught you better than that. Okay, so my eyebrows, I like them now. Alright, so these are my eyebrows. And that's my eyebrow routine. Okay, I need to stop playing, but we're done. We're done, okay? Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this eyebrow tutorial. It didn't go as smooth as I wanted to because I had to go back and tweak stuff. But that's just a part of it. If I was doing it in the vanity mirror, I would have did it perfect. But I just gotta learn how to do stuff on camera with like a mirror not in front of me, okay? So I'm gonna get there. But so far, this is how it looks. It's like, this was my everyday look. Like, no makeup, just eyebrows and lip gloss. And you're set for the day. But I have my eyebrows micro shaded now, so it's basically nothing except lip gloss. Alright guys, have a great day. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna challenge y'all, leave a comment of like what video you want to see, because I'd be like, what do I put out? Bye guys.